Welcome to this opportunity for an executive equestrian estate. The gated entrance and beautiful birch trees invite you to explore this private estate on nearly 7.5 acres. You'll discover a thoughtfully designed property with a passive solar home where you can experience views in all directions. It's a quiet, serene setting, yet conveniently located just 1.5 miles to I-205 and less than 14 miles to Portland. Heading inside this custom-built home, you'll find an interior delightfully designed to bring in the natural light. The soaring vaults and abundant windows create an inviting, lofty feel where you'll enjoy the warmth of light, even on rainy days. The quality construction includes unique angles and south-facing windows for year-round daylighting, as well as solar gain in the desired months. Wake up to peaceful views in the vaulted master suite. Another main-level bedroom has direct access to the outdoors. And you'll find additional flexible spaces on the upper level in this 3,400 square foot home. For the investor, it's in the urban growth boundary, and the final Park Place Master Plan guides this neighborhood for future development. In addition to well-maintained pastures, you'll enjoy a 72 by 160-foot outdoor arena, outdoor all-weather footing, safe horse fencing, and the home and barn are architecturally designed to match. A lovely place to live and grow, and in time invest in your retirement. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or your personal tour, please contact Erin Warren with Premier Property Group at 503-319-0490.